Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete Bitget account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, launch the Bitget application in your mobile, and then make sure you are logged into your account. Now from the home page, go ahead and tap on this dotted icon or the profile icon in the top left corner. And now tap on this arrow beside your name. And now you can see the second last option, Close Account. Just tap on it. And now tap on this Close Account to confirm. To close your account, you must first close or sell your positions and withdraw your account balance. Go through the process and complete all of those before proceeding. To delete your account, go ahead and complete the following steps one by one, and then tap on this Close Account. And now click on I understand at the bottom, and then simply tap on this Next. Now you have to enter your password, and after entering the password, just simply tap on this Submit, and you are good to go. Your account will be deleted. So that's basically how you can delete Bitget account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.